My name is Paul Bedrosian. I'm a research geophysicist at the U.S. Geological Survey, and my research really focuses on the application of geophysical methods, particularly electrical and electromagnetic methods, to a wide range of problems. I was sitting in a basement lab about to embark on experimental condensed matter physics, and I happened to chance over to a geophysics department and start talking to some people about some of the work they do. And I was invited out to do a field trip, and I went out for 1 week to work on a study of the San Andreas Fault, and I was hooked. So it was really the field aspect of it, the very tangible. I can relate the rocks that are in the ground through advanced physical and numerical methods, and actually, sort of come up with a meaningful result, which in many cases, on the more applied side, actually has societal impact. I would say I've had a number of mentors along the way. Some of them have simply been, the professor in a class I was taking who, sort of introduced me to a new area, and when it piqued my interest, sort of pointed me in the right direction for following that up. So SAGE is actually a rather unique program. It's a field-based geophysical camp that takes place each summer, and it really teaches students to learn geophysics by doing geophysics. So my role is really to kind of facilitate the field learning aspect of it. I work with the students one-on-one and in groups as they start to analyze their data, process their data, and try to put it into a context. It allows me to interact with some of the best and brightest students and to see and help them, kind of take the next step. And it's incredibly meaningful to kind of look 2, 5, 10 years down the road and see, how these students or former students have sort of made that step and launched their career. Well, I guess as a young scientist, I would advise people not to narrow your focus too rapidly, that maintaining a degree of breadth and an openness to sort of all the many sub-disciplines that are out there, and kind of always having that curiosity for what some of these things mean, and being able to kind of follow the path, even if it's a little bit outside of kind of your immediate research direction.